Alright guys, here we go. Crypto trade of the day. This time it's actually the market watch list I want to talk about. This one is a pending trading opportunity. We're talking about, of course, I'm talking about the LITECOIN. We're starting to set up our bullish front on the market, right? We've been bearish for a while. We've been very active, especially with the last few days when the market was nosediving. Due to that negative momentum, we actually closed out all of our short positions and we took the back seat. We wanted to see, have the market have some more time to settle down, and also we needed clarification, technical clarification about what's imminent, what's coming, what's around the corner. And I feel like this is right now is the right timing for us to start sliding into positions. We're talking about this time a bullish conviction on the market. So we're looking for bullish looking opportunities, right? And I feel like the LITECOIN is literally next in line for us. We already established a few small size positions, but this one is the next in line LITECOIN. And here's what needs to happen for us to actually engage and strike. Let's take a close look. We had the bearish campaign on the LITECOIN just a few days ago, right? Right off the top, as it started to turn around, right off 131.26, I was here calling it out and firing off a new bearish campaign, short position, with one target in mind, which was 115. A couple of days later, we hit the target. And again, now we're looking at a different situation where we would like to actually flip over, because there's tons of support coming in from 107.32. Take a look at that. This is quite remarkable, because if you take a close look at what happened here just yesterday, it's absolutely jaw-dropping, right? Price action went as low. Check this out, guys. It's unbelievable, really. It went as low as 80. Right, and the level we're talking about is 107.32. Imagine that it went as low as 80 at a single day. Right, this is a single day session. But what's more important and more impressive is the way price action pulled back at that same day, all the way up just to close above 107.32. This spike is extraordinary, right? You don't see these type of spikes every day. But the fact that it went back all the way up just to close above 107.32, I think speaks volume, right? It suggests that this trading range, I'm talking about the local one, the short-term cycle that was, it was trading inside of that blue system. The last line of defense, again, 107.32. What I'm trying to say, it's not done yet. Even though we thought it was breaking down, the fact that it came back all the way in suggests that that's not a legit breakdown. It's not a breakdown at all. In fact, it's going to continue trading sideways, potentially in a casual fashion, before a breakout or a breakdown later down the road. But for now, looks like price action is contained inside of that blue key support and resistance system. So what is our trigger? What would be our trigger to get into position? I'm sure you can already probably guess. What we need here is price action to behave like it did yesterday and pull back all the way to settle down and close the daily bar above 107.32. Again, a second close today above 107.32 is going to be good enough for us to fire off the first trade. Nevertheless, I want to mention this. It's not crucial that it's going to close above 107.32 for us to be bullish on the LITECOIN. It does mean we're not going to take action, but we will wait maybe another day or two. At the end of the day, what we really want to make sure is that the weekly close, not the daily close, but the weekly close is going to be inside and above 107.32. That is a confirmation for us that we're indeed on the right track here. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. This is how it looks like. You see that huge pullback off of the level, like I said, off of the bottom, which was 80. Huge pullback, but this is what we really want to make sure. This is what we really want to keep our eyes closed on. The weekly close of the session. The weekly session, we have a few more days to go, obviously. But I feel like it's going to settle inside and above 107.32. And from that point forward, we'll have a big upside reversal. Okay, so that's what we're talking about here. But again, just a pullback today, by the end of the day, will be good enough for us to test the water and fire off the first trade. Just saying. It's not going to be confirmed by the weekly close, but it's still going to be good enough to take some action. Now, we're going to be talking about two levels once we get in. 115, the same profit target that we used. Well, we used that level as a profit target on the last bearish campaign. We're going to recycle that level to be a secondary target this time, take some profit off the table. But at the end of the day, our primary target is going to be 123.6. 123.6, our official primary profit target, if indeed we're going to fire off and establish a bullish campaign on the Litecoin, and that remains to be seen. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual, so till then, be well.